Thanks for taking the time to learn how we help traders stop guessing and start trading profitably. If you're watching this, chances are you've already put a huge amount of time, effort, and energy into your trading. You've researched the foundations, you've watched the videos, you've probably completed a course or joined a mentoring program, and yet you're still not seeing the progress you expected. And that's not your fault. Most trading education is designed to teach the masses, not transform the individual. Most one-to-many programs aren't built to give you a pathway to profitability. They're built to put money in the pocket of the guru. And when you're thrown into a group of thousands of other traders, all with different trading styles, different schedules, different challenges, different goals, how are you supposed to get the focused support you actually need? When was the last time you received personalized coaching? Guidance based on your trading, feedback on your execution, help improving your specific weaknesses. If you're frustrated, you're not alone. Most traders in group coaching feel that way, overwhelmed, lost, and unsure what to fix next. But you have a choice. You can keep going down that same path, hoping something changes, or you can choose a different path, one that gives you structure, accountability, and personalized coaching designed for your improvement. Lift is not a one-size-fits-all program. In Lift, we help traders develop their own personalized trading method that suits their trading style and goals, using a proven profitable framework that protects your hard-earned profits, consistently finds high-probability trade setups, and helps you manage your trades to produce the best profit you can. A proven blend of technical and sentiment analysis used successfully by smart traders for nearly 20 years through every market condition, from the GFC to the pandemic to today's volatile economy. Real, lasting trading success isn't just about entries, exits, and indicators. If it was purely technical, everyone following a method would already be profitable. The truth is, consistent profitability comes from 3 pillars: your mindset, your daily execution habits, and your long-term trading plan as a business. And that's exactly why Lift is designed differently. Inside Lift, you don't just learn a strategy. You receive a personalized development roadmap, specific to your goals, your account size, your lifestyle, and your responsibilities. We help you build the mindset, the structure, and the business plan required to grow sustainably. And we walk with you every step of the journey. With regular Zoom coaching, live market analysis sessions, trade reviews, personalized feedback, and real accountability. You'll always know exactly what to do next, how to improve, and where to focus. This is how you achieve meaningful progress faster than trying to do it on your own. And the results speak for themselves. Like S from Melbourne, a new mum looking for a way to build an income from home while caring for her baby. Less than 3 years later, she's qualified for pro trader leverage, she's consistently making 80 pip months, replacing her corporate income, and she gets to spend every day with her little one while her trading generates real growth. Or Gary, who spent years grinding to build a business that consumed every spare minute while trying Discord groups, gurus, and signal sellers that never helped him improve. Within 12 months in Lift, Gary is now in qualification for pro trader, joining the top tier of Australian traders, with access to more leverage, more opportunity, and more potential profit each month than he's ever had access to before. These aren't overnight successes. They're transformations built through structure, guidance, and partnership. And that's what we provide. Because trading shouldn't feel lonely. You shouldn't be guessing, you shouldn't be hoping. You deserve a plan, a mentor, and a process you can trust, and a pathway that leads to the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family. Your next step is simple. Click Book Your Free Strategy Session. You'll speak directly with our lead trading coach, who'll map your goals, assess your experience, and show you how Lift Pro can accelerate your results. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, take control of your financial future, and finally trade like a professional, this is your moment. Book your free session today, and let's get started.